Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and today is a very special, exciting day. We are actually about to start the 335. I wouldn't say, well, it's going to be his first legit startup. I mean, like with the exhaust, the downpipe. I don't think I clarified in the last video or went over exactly what all I needed, but I had some fitment issues with the downpipe, so I got that worked out. I was able to wrap it and get that installed with the V-band clamp on it and everything. I was missing my AN line that went to the front part of the turbo to my three-way vacuum line setup that I had, and I needed this coupler right there. So that's a 45-degree, 2.5-inch coupler for the outlet part of the turbo to connect to the charge pipe on the hot side of the car. So yeah, so we are on the way back up to the shop. I had to run home and grab this coupler. So yeah, so I guess I'll pick the camera up when we get there. All right, so as you can see, we here trying to get this on, trying to see if we gotta cut it or not. It's long as hell. Yeah, it's gonna need some lube, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Hear that beast over there? Matter of fact, I'll walk over there real quick. I love the way he set up his E90. It's so clean the way he got it sitting. The apexes. About to go do a log? Oh, you're just chilling. Yes, sir. So it's lit, man. So like I said, Eric went in there. Turbo is in. Eric went in there to go get some petroleum jelly, some little lube, so it can, you know, slide in and out smoothly. Pause. Hey, yo, pause. Heavy pause. What am I talking about right now? I'm just excited, bro. I'm excited that this is about to come alive. Hey, yo, got the downpipe wrapped up. Just about to get this situated. And yeah, so he should be coming back here. So yeah, I don't want to bore y'all. Pick the camera back up whenever we get this situated. Oh, and we flashed the car with single bank fueling. I might have to replace this O2 sensor because it's throwing O2 code. So I might have to just go and replace that sensor, but I ain't tripping. I'm gonna do that anyway. Yeah, you real nice with it. Why you so good with blades? That's that prison life.
Yo, chill out, bro. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, that slid on there like swimwear. Okay. Okay.
I hope I didn't cut it too short, but
I guess you know what you're doing. Nah, that's perfect actually, bro. Oh yeah, that extended. I don't know why.
Oh, where's your clamp? Yeah.
Hold on a second. You good with your fingers, bro? You real good.
What the fuck?
How's that gay, bro? I just said you good with your hands, bro. Why you take it that way,
bro? You got the. Let me see the nut.
Yo, heavy pause. Here to the 335. We're running open down pipe because my turbo sits a little bit forward more and it's shorter. I'm gonna have to get another. I'm gonna have to get my my exhaust pretty much extended a little bit so it can meet up with the downpipe. This smoke is from the PCB, from the valve cover. So I'm about to go run the AutoZone to grab a fitting. I'm just literally letting it run right now. Turbo spooling the way it should. Sounds good. But we making progress. We're making progress. I'm sorry I couldn't get this startup. But yeah, we're making progress, man. Trying to let it get up to temp a little bit. FRM got fried in the process because the stuff got wet. We got a carbon fiber sunroof delete as well. What else? Yeah, for the most part, it's running. It's good. I'm gonna drive it tonight. Gotta go drop off this other car, come pick this up, drive it home, see what it does, and yeah. So I'm just letting it get up to temp right now. Y'all can see. But yeah, man, I gotta run to O'Reilly's or AutoZone real quick, get this hose and come put it on the catch can so it don't be smoking like that. But yeah, it's lit. We back. Like I said, huge shout out to Split Second Performance for coming through. They stayed late for me. They helped me out. They helped me finish, you know, get everything situated. So shout out to my boys for doing that. I don't know what else to think about, to say. I'm speechless. I really can't even. It happened quicker than I expected, but she purring. So yeah, let me go run the AutoZone real quick. All right, it's gonna be the first drive. The 335 since we did the new turbo swap. I gotta figure out what's going on with this O2 sensor because I did switch to single bank fueling, and I got a bunch of lights on because I disconnected the battery. So we're gonna get that situated. But right now we just about to, you know, just get the 335 home. So I just want to hear how it's gonna sound, how the car is gonna sound under boost. FRM, the car got wet a little bit. I ain't worried about none of this. I just hope I don't get messed with. So I guess let's go. Why not? See what's the right setting I had on here. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, it's this one. Let's go with blue. Alright. First drive, man. I do not know what to expect. Well, before I do anything, let me make sure I'm connected to MHD, honestly. But she's purring though. I'm gonna make sure I got MHD pulled up just in case. Got any problems? And we rolling. Oh, it's driving really good. Oh, it's driving smooth. Like I said, excuse the dash lights, and I know it's not lit up right now, but yeah, my turn signals don't work or none of that. Like, bruh, hey, I gotta get this FRM figured out because it's the first drive, man. Like my first time like bringing the car out, and it's driving butterball smooth. Why did I say butterball? Bro, that's how you know I'm rusty. I ain't really been recording like that, so it's weird recording it. But at least my steering wheel's straight. But yeah, we're gonna take care of all these lights. I did have my battery unplugged for a while, so probably why I'm having these lights on, but for the most part, she's driving good, bro. I can't hear the turbo though, which is weird. I don't know. Maybe if I get it up in RPM, I can hear it, but I'm just, you know, just driving the car normal. No reason to drive it, you know, crazy. I heard it a little bit. I thought I would be able to hear the turbo a lot more. But hey. I hear it a little bit. I can't even see how fast I'm going though. That's just crazy. But yeah, I'm about to stop at this speedway to get some more gas, some more E85, because I'm on a quarter tank and I do not want to be driving this car low on gas. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get there. All right, y'all, so as y'all seen, the drive went good. The car is not doing anything out of the ordinary. Had to stop and get some E85 because yeah, elote. But yeah, it's driving good. Only thing is smoke coming from the downpipe because the wrap is burning off. But for the most part, she drove good. She's driving good. As she's driving, actually, it's actually surprising me how good this car is actually driving right now. So I think that's gonna conclude this video. I appreciate everybody who checked into this video, who watched it all the way to the end. This hood is gonna be gone. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We got some goodies going on. We back uploading. We back with the 335, man. It's oh so crazy. She look oh so crazy. And once again, huge shout out to Split Second Performance. They helped out a ton. Y'all the real ones, man. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure if y'all haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button for me, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See.